You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, if I got you, I got you.
They already there?
Yeah. They're here, guys. They're here. Look at you guys. Yeah. Watch for ricochets. Don't let them.
Nothing on the left yet.
Nothing on the right yet.
Guys, everything.
They're already in the
right
right
corner. You'll cover the doorway, okay? White Mercedes coming in.
Movement on the left. Way left. Right here on the well, or on the.
I got you. Dark green.
I think I just hit Sean, Jake. Hit! I'm hit right here. Someone take this window. Jake, take this window. They're down on the left, on the bottom.
Got him.
Okay. Thank you. Go back. Go back. Oh, straight across. He's down. He's down. Yeah, he's down. Someone got him. Is that someone right outside? Someone's right outside the door. You're hit, buddy. He's down. He's down. Medic. Hang on. We're losing the left. Coming back here. Watch that side. I can't fucking see a thing. Them goggles.
You're hit.
Hey, we need a medic right here. Jake, see what's going on over there. Someone moving on the far left. Jake, straight across.
I got him.
Coming around the left. He's down there. He's down there behind the low cover, Jake. Two of them. Yeah.
Alright, we got two at the well.
Hold the well. Got him. Reloading.
See him at the well, Jake? He's coming around left.
Don't blind fire. White Mercedes, guys. White Mercedes.
Take the window. Someone else take this window. We're both down over here.
Wait, cover that window. I'll cover the window.
I got it. Watch your head, buddy. Watch your head.
I'm back up.
We got that side covered. We got that side covered.
Got one on the well.
I got the netting.
Well's hit. Someone right outside, right out here, right out here. Straight across. There's another one, there's another one.
I got you. It's a turtle off.
Jake, I'm gonna peek out. Got him.
No. That's one of us. Got you.
There's a hit. There's a few at the well.
Hey, can you help over there?
Yeah.
I got it covered. I got it covered.
I got this window covered.
Got you.
I got this. There's someone right outside.
You're good. Alright, you're good.
Thank you.
Reloading.
Hey, brother, over here. Hey, get there. Get up, move back there. Get that shit up. Reload.
Left side of the well, bottom.
Oh shit, coming over!
Hit him!
Got you!
Yeah, he's hit. What the fuck? Reloading. He came straight across.
Go to respawn, don't sit there!
Jake, you need a mag? Fuck.
Shit. Left at the well, hurry up. Left at the well.
Over here. They're coming up in force over here.
I'm coming up.
Force, right side.
Where's it coming? Straight across?
The guy behind the building, the guy behind the doorway.
Reloading.
Guy behind the netting,
Black barrel straight across.
guy behind the netting here.
In the building, our building.
Ready. Left at the well, three guys.
Where's all that coming
Left at
from?
the well.
Hit. Fuck. Hit. Medic.
Medic.
Medic. Yeah.
Hey, put that chair down! Put that chair away!
There's a guy right there.
Put the chair away! You
Right in
cannot
front of us.
do
Get
that.
him.
Hit him, Vic. Right here?
Put the chair away! Hey! You, the double outfit! You cannot move the chair! Right, stop! You! Move the chair! Move the chair! Move that chair
I
out
didn't
of
see a
there!
thing, dude. Let me know when you're out of mags. I'll give you my pistol.
Bottom low well.
Left or right?
Right next to us, right here. I got you in the visor, dude.
Bottom
Yeah.
low well. Whoa.
Hit.
Hit, bud. Medic.
Medic.
You got him, right?
I got hit though, but Whoa. Is anyone in here hit or no?
Is anyone alive?
I'm pretty sure.
Medic!
Medic!
Medic in the back room. Who's got the rag?
Put the red flag. Put the red flag. We're all down.
Put that out the window.
There's a hustle right here.
Medic, anyone? We need a medic.
We need a hot nurse.
Nurse.
Hey! Yeah!
They're coming inside? Yeah, we lost. All dead in here!
All dead! All dead in here! Yeah!
Hey, 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 we're all dead, we're all dead, we're all dead.
Dude, I got you twice. I got that guy twice.
Shit. Hey, hey, dude.
We're down in here.
Hey, why don't they come and get him, huh?
We're all dead.
We're all dead, dude.
Red flag, we're all dead.
Jake. They just,
We got captured pilot.
yeah, they have to run, huh?
That's a big barrel you have. Compensating? Are you compensating for something? Pop in the hand. That's a hard part because you're like holding our gear, right?
I wish we could push out a little further and set up, you know?
Sure, shot that.
Huh? Yeah, we're all dead.
Wait, don't you guys have to drag the pilot?
No, he's just. I'm on your team. Wait, what happened? Any of you shoot the pilot guy, or any of you have trouble with the guy?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I shot
yeah.
him twice.
Okay, good, because I had multiple people already in
Yeah, yeah.
trouble with him. Yeah. Saying they already shot him, so I just went to talk to him. Take the thing off. He doesn't need it.
You can't feel it.
Not gonna protect. He's not gonna. Yeah, can't feel it. If I can't feel it, that's why. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna help him hide at all.
Twice when he was
We're playing in the sunlight.
In an urban environment.
In an urban environment. Yeah. And I don't think I've seen any bushes that are black. I mean, come on. Well, unless she doesn't shave.
Well,
You know?
yeah, that's because they have neutral lane.
Damn, I wanted to win.
No, we had them all pretty good.
Hey,
though,
if you
man.
don't find the pilot in like 5 minutes, we gotta go. We win.
No.
Yeah, we made a decision.
I didn't even see him. He ran. He took off already. He's like, oh, fuck this. We like shot him out of here. We already had the evac. We put red shoes on him. He's like, there's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Yeah.
See his dump pads? It's like a little yeah, we put him in our. Yeah, it's a path to another dimension. Dude, we had him all pretty good.
Yeah, it was
Our
okay.
gun started like.
Well, he lost his, so he was going pistol, yeah.
Man down.
You guys swap batteries already? That's quick, man. Yeah, man. It's kind of fun.